Hi everybody, Janet with Crafts and Collage, and I've got a couple of things I want to go over with you today. The first is Inktober is coming up. Now Inktober is a site that started years ago, and it gives us 31 prompts for the month of October, a prompt for each day of the month of October, and you can participate or not. There's no pressure. There's lots of places where you can post your work if you want to share. It's little drawings that you do, one for every day of the month of October. It's called Inktober, and you can find the list of prompts on their site, inktober.com, Inktober. And this is one of the years that 2021, that I did Inktober, and I had a great time doing it. Missed a couple of days, but all in all, not bad. So I'll be using the other half of, well, maybe. I don't think I have enough pages to do 31 drawings, so I'll have to grab my other sketchbook. But I plan to do Inktober, and I'll show my work here regularly on the channel as part of a video if I do one. And it's just fun. I've participated now 3 years in a row, and it's so much fun. And there's no pressure if you don't put any pressure on yourself, because it's not worth it if you put that kind of pressure on yourself. It really isn't. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to talk about. Secondly, I found this adorable little book. It's actually a sewn binding. It's sewn, not stapled. Oh, there are staples as well, but you can see the sewing in the center part. But it came as an instruction book for a tarot card deck somebody gave me. It's in Chinese, so it does me no good. So we're going to transform it into a teeny weeny glue book. So while I'm chatting with you, I'm going to be doing a 2-page spread in this little book, and we'll see how it goes. I've never worked this small before, so I'm going to say that I'm going to leave the first page in case I want to do an intro. And the little border on there is just gorgeous to do something with the front cover. So let's see what we can come up with as far as a 2-page tiny spread. Let's use I've picked out some things that I thought would be appropriate or cute. I've never done this size spread before, so I have no idea. Wow, those are some cute. And this, that's a cute cartoon. It's so small. I don't know, maybe some of you will want to have some fun and do something like this. These are stickers, so I can definitely add one of those. I don't know if there's any of these that I want, but that would make a nice background, although it's very cardboard. So what have I got here that could be, ooh, this, where are my scissors? I'm always losing them. There we go. I need to buy like 2 more pair. So let's cut something. This is a Ukrainian restaurant menu from down the street. But the only thing that I ever want is the borscht, so I go and order the borscht from them. I love that stuff. Oh my goodness, it's so good with fresh bread. She's an amazing baker, her cook. Okay, so I was thinking about this as the background to put everything else on. Now, I don't know if that's going to be too much. I'm going to have to jump around the book because otherwise it's going to fill up weird if I do end up filling this up. But it should be interesting, I'll tell you. Okay, so for background, where's the thing I wanted? There was something I wanted to use for the slogan. Where is it now? I think it said mood. There it is. Okay, so This is going to be our slogan for this page. And we'll just chop it up tiny here. So that's why I pulled out the music and the stamps and the shopping, things like that. So let's see what we can do with this page. That's a very pretty paper. Oh, I like that. Let's see if we can get a background going for that. This is like incredibly small, folks. It's kind of crazy. Makes me laugh in a way. You know, I don't know. Miniature stuff can just tickle me sometimes. My mom she collected it, made it, adored miniature stuff. And I remember one Mother's Day, my sister and I took her to this big convention that was going on at in our town, and it was a miniature convention at the one big major hotel. It was huge, and then they had a brunch, you know, a Mother's Day kind of brunch thing, and oh my goodness, she had a good time and saw the most amazing things. You know, they had miniatures of the MASH camp from the show MASH, you know. I'll trim this off afterwards. Let's see what we're going to do as a backup to the other page. Okay, now what can we use to back up the other page? I think maybe, no, I think we will go with the music. And maybe the, ooh, I like that. That's close enough in pattern that it actually works. Sorry, I keep going out of frame for you folks. I'm kind of I'm needing to invest in a good type of camera for doing videos. So I'll have to take a look at some of those. I know my audio, people seem to think it's okay, but the video camera is not the right one to do overhead vids, you know. So I'm hoping to sort of upgrade at some point in the very near future. Ooh, I like that. Those together look really cute. Okay, so let's cut off some of the music. And snip those and lay that down. Perfect. Okay. Marvelous. Marvelous. These little pages, I don't know, maybe they'll get annoying, but they seem actually kind of fun to do. I have an even smaller, this teeny tiny sketchbook from oh, that really famous journal place, starts with an M, I forget. Anyway, a teeny tiny little, they call pocket sketchbooks, and it's okay. And we'll add this border. We'll trim it all after. Talk about a 10-minute project. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. And you can convert any old instruction book or anything to a Gluebook page, anything. If you, as long as you like spread it around at first so that it doesn't get all misshapen and lumpy, because the middle will get like that. Oh, this is adorable. Look how cute that's turning out. Look at that. That's adorable. Okay, let's put her, ooh, yeah, yep, she looks good there. Okay, we'll put her there. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. This is so much fun. Maybe move her. Nope, she's gonna stay where she is. Okay, now mood I don't think suits anymore. So what have we else have we got here? Reach higher works. Toying with perfection. Huh. Let's get out our stuff box. Okay. The famous slogan box. Ooh, I like this one, distinctive. I kind of just reached in and there it is. Wow. Okay, I kind of like that. What's this one? Frightening. Good point is wrecked. Okay, we're going to go with distinctive. It feels like I reached in there for a reason. It really did. So, we're going to go with distinctive. Maybe along here. Yes. That's a good place to put it. Distinctive. Is there anything else I want to add? Oh, I wanted to add a travel postage thing, because it makes little things can make a page interesting too. So we'll add that up there, cover up that piece of thing there, and we'll add distinctive to the whole thing. And we'll put that right there. And then we need one more thing for this spot right here, and then I can trim it. Haha, this would be adorable. Oh, I really like that. Okay, we're gonna have to add this snail. I can't fussy cut because my thumb is doing the whole trigger finger thing right now, so it kind of locks in place regularly. So I'll get as close as I can, but no guarantees. Not right now. So what I meant by 2 parts is that there will be this video with this little mini book, and then I'm doing a page in my other glue book to try to finish it up, the one that I started with you folks the other day. I want to do another page and hopefully finish this book soon. I'm hoping to get it done in September, so you can follow along. I won't be speaking, there'll just be music in the background. But I did want to talk to you about Inktober in this video because it is honestly so much fun. And if you want to, commit to a couple of drawings a week or something, just participate if you want to, because there's a lot of people. If you do the keyword or tag Inktober, you'll find a ton of people following along, a ton of them. I dropped my glue stick, and that of course picks up every bit of dust on your floor. Alright, so I believe these 2 little pages are done, and they're the first ones in this book. So let me get this trimmed really quick so I can share that with you. Oh, the scissors are not easy. Not with this happy finger of mine. Okay. right. There we go. I really like that. I had great fun doing that. This little tiny double page spread. So if you get a chance or find an instruction book, go raid the drawer where you put all the booklets that come with appliances and so on. Those are great for this kind of thing, but this is the smallest I have ever done. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll go from there. So now join me for the other video if you're interested. Take care and have a great miniature day.